My car's absolutely disgusting. I've done that on purpose. This is Kyle, aka Q.
Yes, Q the valet.
I need some professional help to make my Fiat Abarth 595 Competizione clean again. Can you help me with that?
That's when I come into it. No worries, I got you.
Okay, do you want to see how dirty my car is right now? I kind of did it on purpose. I haven't washed it for over a week.
Yeah, let's go. Let's have a look.
The interior is grimy. The outside is muddy. It's been parked under a tree. We're going to get some car care tips from Q the valet. We're going to learn how to wash our car properly, the things that you're supposed to use, the things that you should avoid.
Yes.
Ready?
Yeah, let's go.
Please clean my car and look after Mike.
I got you.
I think he's taking pictures to show how disgusting the car is. Actually, look at these wheels. They're so gross. Are you disappointed with the state of my car?
Just a little bit, but you know what? You use it well and it looks good. And it will only look better after I finish, so we're good. This bit is always the tell with someone's car. Alright, not too bad, not too bad. But can do some work for sure.
Kyle, what do you think? Big job?
Yeah, but we got it.
What's this first step?
So this is the pre-wash. This is a pre-wash solution I'm just putting over.
What's the pre-wash solution?
So it just starts to loosen any debris on the car and any dirt.
Oh, we need this then.
Yes, definitely. So I'm putting double for you.
So if I was going to wash my car at home,
Yes.
do I need to use a pre-wash as well? Because normally what I would do is just use a wash,
It's like a shampoo.
a shampoo, and then
Yeah.
rinse it off. Why is this different?
So the only thing is you want to get as much of the dirt off as early as possible. So if you rinse it or use like a pre-wash, it just helps to loosen all the dirt first. So you're reducing the risk of scratches and swells.
Scratches from
Little small stone chips.
the crap that's already on my car.
Exactly. So
Okay, there's a lot of it.
if you start swelling that around prematurely, you're scratching your car, which you don't want. That's the part people don't know because you don't always see it at first. But in certain sunlights or certain angles, you'll start to see the scratches and swells appear.
I'm going to learn so much today. This is incredible.
I hope so. And if we can educate the world, then we're doing a good thing.
Let's do it. Damn. Pre-wash.
Yes.
Like when you do dishwasher.
Yeah.
You're basically dishwashing my car right now.
Yeah, kind of.
What's the worst car that you've ever washed?
Oof, there was one that was riddled with mold. So they were really nice people, but they just left the car for a while traveling, and
How do you get your car moldy? The inside of the car had mold on it.
inside was full. Check out my Instagram, you'll see it.
What is it?
Q the valet, Kew the valet. But yeah, you'll see it spread all over under the seats, everywhere. There's quite a strong smell. Yeah.
How did you get it out?
The base is with white vinegar, I'll tell you that. And then you get the rest there.
But then your car smells of vinegar.
No, if you dilute it and use other things and steam it out, you don't smell it at all.
Okay, so once you'd finished with the car, it didn't smell of vinegar, but the mold was gone?
Of course, yeah, sparkling.
If your car's moldy, now you know what to do. Get Q or just slap in a load of vinegar.
Yeah, with caution, don't go too wild. But yes.
What's next?
So now it's time for the wheels. While the pre-wash is on, I'm gonna start getting the wheels ready.
Snow foam?
Yep, snow foam just for the wheels though.
Oh, I usually snow foam the whole car. Is that not...
That will come next. We're just putting this on so it can start to soak in. And then we'll put the pre-wash on for the whole car on top.
Okay, is this a special wheel snow foam?
Yes. This one is slightly stronger to kind of get all the iron particles off the wheels.
From brakes?
Yes.
Brake dust.
Exactly. So you'll see around the wheel it's starting to go brown. That's not...
Oh my days, yeah.
But that's not so much because you just keep a bad car. It's just how it's lifting all the iron particles off.
What's next? What are we doing here?
So now I'm just going to rinse off the pre-wash. Just get that first layer of dirt off, and then we'll go on with the snow foam on the car. There we go.
Whoa! How did you get into mobile valeting?
Well, I worked in HR before, so something very, very different.
That's a big switch.
Yes, but it gives you more flexibility. I still get to see people because that's the aspect I loved with my job before. And I can be out on the road, enjoying the sun when it's finally here.
What's in your hand, Q?
Your favourite bit, the snow foam is coming.
Okay, this is what we want to see. It's mad you have your own water supply on the van. Look how big this water tank is.
Yeah.
How many litres is that?
350?
350 litres of water.
It's a lot of water.
How does your van even move with that much water?
Your foot needs to stay on that accelerator.
Swear down, I'm enjoying this so much. My car's never been washed this good in its whole entire life.
You're welcome. So this kind of just sits on now, just again to loosen up any more debris. So every step it just keeps on loosening, removing any debris on the car. So I'll leave it for a few minutes and then rinse it off.
Why do people use snow foam? I especially see it on Instagram. Is it because it looks good, or is there actually a reason?
Because it's thick, it stays on the car, so it sticks on, so it's really doing its best to loosen. So it does have scientific use. It also looks very cool to be able to spray on and record it.
It looks so cool.
So it's both ways.
Okay, so use snow foam, but mainly it just looks sick.
Yes, you can get different coloured ones and all kinds
Stop
of stuff.
it, what colours?
Yeah, blue, pink, green. We're not there yet though, because that is really for social media, not for greatness of cleaning the car.
Q's coming back and he's bringing green snow foam.
The key is to get as much of that dirt off as quickly as possible early on. So the more levels of cleaning, the less chance of scratching.
Not gonna lie, it already looks clean. Like you're done here.
We're close.
What's this? Another pre-wash?
So this is a liquid ceramic spray. So now we've kind of taken a lot off. It's like a final chemical. Just for any other iron bits, will kind of get melted off.
Iron bits melted. Isn't ceramic normally plates and cutlery?
It can be similar thing, but different machine.
How do you get ceramic in a liquid? Now I'm asking questions that you can't answer.
Now you need to ask someone else. I just know the use.
You know when you go to the normal hand car wash and you drive your car off and you're like, oh yeah, it's cool. At least it's not gross anymore. Like you've got it to 10 times that level already.
Good.
And are we nearly done?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes. This is the last step before we can now shampoo.
Car gets the shampoo as well, conditioner?
Of course, yes.
Yeah?
Because we're worth it. So we have a choice of microfibers today, but it's gonna have to be this one. Keep the colour.
We've probably been going for 20 minutes, 30 minutes already.
Yeah.
And now we've only just got to the step where I would start washing.
That's why the preparation is key, because you don't want to scrub when the surface is not ready. And now you don't want to go too hard because, again, no risk of scratches. So just straight lines and just make your way around the car.
Yeah, you are lovingly caressing that
That's it.
bright orange yellow paint, for sure. Which is not how I would normally do it.
It needs some love and TLC. That's why I'm here.
Damn, look how clean the car is. It's crazy.
That's why when people are arguing with the price, we take our time to make sure it's clean.
Like, insanely clean. This, look.
This is
I've never seen anything like it ever. Kyle,
yes.
you're a wizard. Damn, see, next time you're washing your car and you're like, scrub. This is the complete wrong technique.
Take your
You
time.
need to be wipe.
Yeah.
Light wipes.
Yes.
Why is it so important to protect the paint and do light wipes instead of like just smash a...
Because you can start doing this, which I'm not going to do. You can start scrubbing, but then you might be swirling as you're going, which you'll see later. So just light. That's all the car needs. If you've done a good pre-wash, just need something light to take off any last bits of dirt.
It's literally just so you don't scratch it.
Yes.
Is paint really that fragile that if you just wipe it too hard, it will scratch?
Against stones and things that are sharp, yes.
Oh my God, look at all that dirt.
Oh yes, the brake dust. So when your car's braking, the dust is kind of going into the cylinder and then cakes to the outside. So just give it a good scrub
Look at all that brown. Actually, look at all that. Wait, take that out. Look at all that brown inside. What the hell? Almost like it's never been cleaned. How do you avoid brake dust?
Every so often, giving it a clean. You can't really avoid brake dust. It's just part of the game. But every so often, like now, just kind of give it a clean and get rid of it.
Maybe just stop braking.
No comment. I'm not trying to cause no accidents.
Can't recommend that on a driving school channel. When I wash my car, right, what I do is I make sure that the outside of the wheels is clean.
Yeah.
And I don't do anything with brake dust or anything like that. And I'm sure that when I take it to the hand car wash, they're not doing anything with brake dust either.
Well, this is why, yeah, it's not something you need to do every time you wash the car. But if you're doing it yourself, every other time or at least every other month, it's good to kind of get inside the cylinders and clean it. Because as you say, it's not the part that everyone sees, but it's good to kind of get all the brake dust off.
Yeah, there's actually a crazy amount of brown coming off the wheel, and I was never aware that it was even a problem.
It just means that your car will run as efficiently as possible on the road.
This is the rinse. Can I ask you a question?
Sure.
I've just passed my driving test and I've bought my first car. What's the one car care tip that you can give me?
I think get a good liquid clay. You can get them in a lot of different car shops.
Liquid clay?
Yeah, so it breaks down any iron particles on the car. So you would rinse the car to get any loose dirt, spray on the liquid clay. You can get ones which colour react as well. So then you'll see it turn purple, like around the tyres, around the body of the car, to show that it's breaking down all the bits of iron.
Where do I buy liquid clay from?
Your local car shop, Halfords, wherever.
Halford sells liquid clay?
Yeah.
Never seen that before, ever. Okay, so I've passed my test and I'm on a budget. What's the cheapest thing that I can buy to look after my car?
A decent shampoo.
Shampoo. Okay, car shampoo.
Yes, not Head and Shoulders.
Q's got his sun towel out.
I'm trying to bring the sun from somewhere because it's not here today. So I'm just going to dry it off the car.
And the secret drying technique as well. So you know in a car wash where they use that chamois leather thing? And they're like... No?
It passes, but you better be very sure you washed it well. Otherwise, you're just passing stones across the car.
Okay, well, see, this is the thing. Like, I haven't even got towels of this quality in my house. This a special car towel?
This is a special car towel. It's called a drying towel. So it's got extra fluffy to absorb the water.
It's so fluffy. Look. I want to go on holiday with it. Do you know what's such a shame though? Like, look at the weather today. You've done it so nice and it looks so damn shy. Oh, I've just put my fingers on it. But then it rains and your car's like messed again in like 2 minutes.
Well, you know what? A lot of people say this, and it is true because the rain starts to mark the car, but that's why you need some kind of sealant. So we have wax sealants. You'll hear people talking about wax coatings or ceramic coatings, and what it is putting a sealant over the car, so it's like a barrier. So when it rains, the rain will just wash off straight away. So it reduces all the watermarks, the dirt sticking to the car. So it's an investment for you to clean your car less frequently and also keep it shinier for longer.
So if it rains tomorrow, the car will still be this clean?
Absolutely.
Oh, okay. Well, it probably will rain tomorrow because this is summer.
So this is the wax that I'm going to put around the car now. So it's a sealant. So when it rains, it's protected. It's looking crazy now, but the greatness is coming. You wait.
So when you recommended liquid wax before, this is
the actual tinned wax. So it's just a similar thing, but it just lasts a bit longer. So this wax will last up to 6 months protection on the car. So every time it rains, you'll see the rain just bead off. Whereas the wax spray lasts for about a month.
So I'd need to put it on every month, but you get the same effect?
Yeah, exactly.
This is an essential step to washing your car then?
Yeah, especially in the UK.
Because it rains a lot and the rain is dirty.
Exactly. None of that on your car.
I don't know about you, but I'm learning so much today. Oh yeah, look, it's gone straight back to shiny. Look at that. It's actually made the yellow. Let me get it from the side. It's given it a deeper, sorry, not yellow, lime green. It's given it a deeper colour, actually, as well. Is that me or is that the wax?
No, it locks in like the original, the colour it's meant to be, and just adds a nice gloss to it.
It really does. Look, you could almost call it yellow now. I had this thing on Instagram where it was like, the car is fluorescent yellow, duh, and everyone was like, no, it's lime green. What colour is this car?
Lime green?
Oh, okay.
It's giving tennis ball.
Is there any benefit to the wheel dressing other than it just looks good?
Absolutely not.
Okay. So if I was going to do this at home, I would not bother with the wheel dressing.
Or there's like a really reasonably priced spray you can get, and then you just spray it on.
Okay. The car looks absolutely incredible. Really shiny, really clean. The interior is insane. Kyle
Hello.
did the business. If you've got any car care questions or you want Kyle, aka Q, to have a look at your car, where can I find you?
You can find me on Instagram, QTheValet, or qthevalet.co.uk, and you can see me there.
And in the description. Check out Kyle because he's an absolute legend.
I'm glad you like it, man. Bye.